Every year on 15th August, Independence Day is celebrated as a national holiday all over the country. On this day, people remember the sacrifices of all the freedom fighters. Today we have gathered here to hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem Jana Gana Mana to celebrate 76th Independence Day. We are feeling happy that we are born in an independent country. From 1857 to 1947, history has noticed several revolutions and sacrifice of our great leaders and freedom fighters. We must acknowledge the sacrifice of the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Ashfaqullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bosu and many others. We should all be proud to be Indian and respect and follow our constitution. We must remain in unity and encourage brotherhood among the Indians. With these words, I want to end my short speech here. Thank you. Jai Hind.